Are you searching for best fingerprint smart door lock? Today I am going to review top 5 best fingerprint smart door lock. I made this list based on my personal opinion, based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback, and other related issues. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Digital Electronic Smart Door Lock. Special features: built-in doorbell, built-in camera, built-in peephole, built-in screen, handle direction, left open and right open, all compatible. Unlock method: fingerprint, password, IC card, mechanical key, app. Number 2. DSKDFTY Biometric Electronic Door Lock. The cornerstone of DSKDFTY's brilliance lies in its integration with the Tuya app. This revolutionary feature allows users to control and monitor their door lock remotely. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply lounging in your living room, the Tuya app ensures that your home's security is just a tap away. Unlock the door for a trusted friend, monitor access logs, or receive real-time alerts, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Robust security features. DSKDFTY Biometric Electronic Door Lock is designed with security as its top priority. The advanced encryption algorithms safeguard your data, preventing unauthorized access to the system. The lock is constructed with durable materials, ensuring resistance to tampering and harsh weather conditions. With a focus on both virtual and physical security, this smart lock is a fortress for your home. Keyless convenience, a game changer, remote unlocking, security at your fingertips, modern aesthetics, timeless design, user-friendly installation and setup. Number 3. RAYKUBE Biometric Fingerprint Door Lock. Features: 5 unlock methods, Tuya app/fingerprint, password, smart card, key unlock, Tuya app remote control, Bluetooth connection, convenient and fast. Add Bluetooth gateway, also can connect to Wi-Fi. Original K7 Pro supports 9 LAN gauge voice system. Support remote temporary password setting. Virtual password anti-peeping unlock supported. Mechanical keys and emergency power supply, USB, can be used when the door lock is out of power. Universal for left and right doors, suitable for 35 to 55 mm door thickness. Lasting quality. The fingerprint lock is made of high-quality ABS plastic, which is durable and can be used for a long time, widely occasions. Fingerprint lock is suitable for all kinds of doors and windows, such as cars, motorcycles, bicycles, etc. Number 4. Tuya Smart 3D Face Door Lock Security Face Camera. Main feature: 6 unlock ways, 3D infrared face, fingerprint, password, IC card, mechanical key app, carved alloy material built strong enough to protect your home, locking unlocking automatically with the newest automatic technology to free your hands. Indoor double lock knob gives you one more safeguard. Emergency power supply in case of lost power, built-in rechargeable lithium battery. Low battery warming. One-time full charge can work about 3 months. English voice and menu. Query unlock records in the lock. Infrared sensor camera make it also can work well in dark environment. Suit for lots of door type. Wooden door, stainless steel door, bronze door, double door, old-fashioned security doors, left open and right open, all compatible. Number 5. RAYKUBE K8 Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. K8 is a new fingerprint door lock with longer and larger handle panels, which can cover the door holes left by the old lock. There are 2 versions of K8, TT lock version, Tuya Wi-Fi 8 language version. According to your needs, choose a smart lock suitable for your home.